Are you ready to transform your mornings and feel lighter, healthier, and more energized in just 7 days? Do you know the incredible benefits of lemon ginger water? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why this simple drink could become your new favorite morning ritual, and how it can make a noticeable difference in your belly and overall health. Lemon ginger water is a powerhouse of benefits. Here's what you can expect after drinking it for just 7 days. It aids digestion, easing bloating and discomfort. It boosts energy levels for a refreshing start to your day. It improves skin, giving you a healthy glow. It strengthens your immune system. It aids in weight loss by boosting metabolism. It enhances mental clarity and focus. And it reduces stress and promotes relaxation. Start your day with lemon ginger water and enjoy these benefits. Cheers to your health. Number 1. Reduced bloating. Ginger keeps your digestive system moving, eliminating gas and bloating. Lemon is a natural diuretic, flushing out excess sodium. Say goodbye to that bloated feeling. 2. Improved digestion. Lemon stimulates digestive enzymes, aiding efficient food breakdown. Ginger calms the stomach and reduces heartburn. Next, a flatter belly. Less bloating and water retention make your belly look and feel flatter. It's biology. Next, better bowel movements. Warm water, lemon, and ginger act as a gentle laxative, promoting regularity. This drink is a game changer. Detoxification of the body is another benefit. Lemon supports liver detoxification, helping flush out toxins. Ginger boosts circulation, speeding waste removal. Another benefit is boosted metabolism. Ginger has thermogenic properties, increasing your body's calorie-burning efficiency. Combine that with warm water, supporting your body's fat-burning process. Last but not the least, ginger reduces belly inflammation caused by stress or diet.
Now that you're aware of the benefits, let me show you how to make the perfect cup of lemon ginger water. Here's what you'll need. 1/2 to 1 fresh lemon, which is about 1 to 2 tablespoons of juice, depending on your taste. 1 to 2 teaspoons of grated or sliced fresh ginger, or a 1-inch piece. If you're using powdered ginger, start with a 1/4 teaspoon. And finally, 1 cup of warm water, about 8 to 12 ounces. Warm water is easier on your stomach and enhances absorption. Optional add-ins to supercharge your drink. 1 teaspoon of honey for added sweetness and immune support. A pinch of turmeric for its anti-inflammatory benefits. And a tiny pinch of black pepper to boost the absorption of turmeric. Mix it all together and sip it slowly, ideally on an empty stomach for maximum benefits. You can even make and store a batch for 7 days by fixing the quantities accordingly. Blend them together, except honey. Strain the mixture and fill them in a bottle and store in the fridge. Add the honey in your drink after you warm it to drink every day.
The best time to drink lemon ginger water is first thing in the morning, on an empty stomach. Here's why. It kick-starts your metabolism and digestion, setting the tone for a healthy day. It hydrates you after a night's rest, and it helps flush out toxins, so your body is ready to absorb nutrients from your meals. But that's not the only time you can enjoy it. If you need a midday pick-me-up or want to relax and aid digestion before bed, lemon ginger water works wonders then too. Now let's talk results. After just 7 days of drinking lemon ginger water every morning, here's what you might notice. A lighter, flatter belly thanks to reduced bloating and better digestion. More regular bowel movements that leave you feeling refreshed. Increased energy and focus from improved hydration and detoxification. A boost in metabolism, making it easier to manage your weight. And a calmer, less inflamed digestive system. It's amazing how small changes, like starting your day with this drink, can lead to big results. Before you dive in, here are a few tips. If you have acid reflux or a sensitive stomach, reduce the lemon juice or dilute the drink further. Rinse your mouth with plain water afterward to protect your teeth from lemon's acidity. And remember, this isn't a magic potion. It works best when paired with a balanced diet, regular hydration, and a bit of physical activity. So, are you ready to give lemon ginger water a try? Let me know in the comments how it works for you after 7 days. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and hacks to level up your life. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video.